I know. My girl. Sometimes she just comes over to visit. Do you know what you're doing to my black sweater?
Here we go again into the week, and I realize that I have not been getting any video footage for the vlog. Dang it. But I haven't seen that much that's really exciting out and about. I'm on my way to the post office. So today's Tuesday. I believe it is November 24th, 23rd. I won't really look at my watch on my calendar right now on my watch, but I will definitely try to get footage this week of everything that's pretty amazing and exciting and fun. Okay. Well, here it is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Not too much exciting, but it is a beautiful drive going over to the scrap exchange in Durham. We've got a squirrel up here who's really doing some talking. What's wrong with you? I don't know if something's wrong. There's another one sitting there really still. Oh my goodness, I found this in the thrift store. It's someone's journal entry, and the very first thing is get a divorce, and then other things follow. It's sad and funny at the same time. Hey everybody, I'm doing a little bit of a vlog. I haven't been very good at keeping up with that day after day. I'm such a mess right now. But you know what? This is real life. This is really me. And we have so many dirty dishes in here. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that's going on. It's Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving Day. And here is to everybody, all of my dear friends. All of my dear friends. Oh my goodness. So look at this. I am doing some onions and a little bit of celery to go in our stuffing. And you know what? I have to admit, sometimes I do my old recipe, my grandmother's dressing recipe. There's stuffing and dressing. I'm doing dressing. But I actually really like this stuff right here. We're going to doctor it up a little bit. And what else can I show you? There's a sweet potato casserole in the oven. And looky here. Oh my goodness, they're going to be so good. And then let me show you this. It turned out so good. And the bacon across the top. I mean, we stood here and ate about 3 pieces as appetizers. It's amazing. Yes, making gravy. It's gonna be so good. Hey everybody. It's Friday and I'm on my way to the post office. I thought I would just speak to everybody. I've got to stop and get gas, and I have a stack of packages over here. We had a really good day yesterday. I'm very grateful that we had food, and it was just me and Jason. We didn't get around anybody else. Okay, everybody. I'm going to finish up the vlog for the week. I'm outside in my little greenhouse right now, and I have a tiny little seat. This is a tiny spot in general, but I do love it out here. It's exactly what I want. It's a very small space. You can see the nasturtium behind me, maybe. Oh, things fall. Wait, get some light. So I'm heading out to do some errands, and hopefully I can get better at this vlog thing. I'm not very good at it, but I am trying to bring you just a few little highlights through the week to kind of keep up with you. Any thoughts about what to do with this little greenhouse? I really want to grow rosemary and lavender, but it grows nice outside. I don't have to have it in the greenhouse, and this is not heated, so I don't know. I need to figure it out. I really want to get back into my homesteading, like my homesteading frame of mind. There we go. Get the light back in here, I guess. That's so strange. Hang on. So that's looking up. I do like it in here. I've got all my little metal stuff. It's just like a little playhouse is what it is. Parsley. That smells good. There was something growing in these, and the squirrels, before I brought it in here, the squirrels started digging in these things. I don't know if they will ever come back out. Ay, ay, ay. I need to put some water on this. It's kind of a watery plant. Likes water. The ivy's pretty. Look at the ginger. Okay, well, I'm going to go get busy with the rest of the things I need to do, and I will see you really soon. Bye for now.